283, a box of 0809 Upper Deck SPX. Box number is 8089. Hoping for a Stamkos finally. We opened many of these in the Toonie breaks, and we have not had a Stamkos yet. Let's hope for Stamkos or someone big. Pack 1, we start with a SP excitement for the Boston Bruins of Phil Esposito. Base. What a goal by Palat. SP excitement for the North Stars that goes to Dallas. 669 of 999. Dino Ciccarelli. Is that our? Nope, it's not our rookie auto, but it is our rookie jersey. Tyler Plott, SPX rookie jersey for the Florida Panthers, number 768 of 1299. Tyler Plott. Yeah, that is our rookie jersey auto. We'll leave it to the end. Hopefully get some excitement there with that. Build some excitement. Base. For the Montreal Canadiens, winning materials of current Canuck, Chris Higgins. Montreal, Chris Higgins. Base. 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 Winning trios for the Stinky Leafs, number 74 of 99, Matt Sundin, Vesa Tuskala, and Matt Stajan. Not bad for the Stinky Leafs. $74 of 99. Stinky Leafs got a new head coach, so hopefully this guy will wake these guys up. Well, not hopefully, because I don't like them, but they're getting pretty embarrassed lately, so. We have a Rangers hit. I thought it was a random, but it's not. Winning combos of Marcus Naslund and Scott Gomez. None playing for the Rangers anymore. Naslund, Scott Gomez for the Rangers. Four packs left. Base. Should be at least one more. I mean, not at least. Should be one more SP excitement, I believe. Space. Base. And oh, it's not excitement. This is a rookie for the Tampa Bay Lightning. SPX rookies, 248 of 499. Jan Niskala or Yanni Niskala for the Lightning. Never heard this name before. Okay, let's see who our rookie jersey auto is. It's red, so it can't be Tampa. Uh, Ilya Zubov, 266 of 999 for the Ottawa Senators. Ilya Zubov. Come on, really? Okay, there was our 0809 SPX. Another disappointing box. Thanks again, and we'll see you shortly.